Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Side Settings on your Samsung. Go to Sounds and Vibration, then Volume, and tap the three-dot menu or the gear icon next to the sliders. This opens Advanced Controls. Once here, choose Media Volume Limiter to see the pin-protected option. You must act now. Tap the limiter entry to prompt the PIN dialog. Make sure you use the account or device PIN you normally use for restrictions. Enter it to proceed immediately. Once the PIN dialog appears, enter the current limiter PIN to authenticate. After it accepts the code, toggle Media Volume Limiter off. The interface will ask you to confirm disabling the safety cap. Do that, then adjust the media slider to a higher level to verify the limiter is removed. If changes don't stick, make sure you have administrative access on the device and that digital well-being or third-party sound apps aren't reapplying limits. Finish by exiting settings and playing audio while raising volume to confirm the limiter is gone. If the device still asks for a PIN you don't remember, sign into your Samsung account and check parental controls or use account recovery options. As a last resort, a factory reset removes device settings but erases data, so back up first. If a third-party app resets the limiter, uninstall or disable that app and reboot, then recheck your volume control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.